In light of the recent drone sightings in the Northeast United States, I decided to ask my spirit technicians, Mike, Lisa, and Peter, if they could shed any light on the incidents, and if they were alien or terrestrial in nature. And I received the answer, your Air Force, definitely from this planet. This was an extraordinary example of direct and relevant live spirit ghost box communication.
Okay, Mike, Lisa, Peter, these drones that everybody's been seeing in New Jersey and other surrounding states, are they alien in nature? Are these drones alien drones?
No,